guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mikaylah, aka Mikaylah Rachelle, and today's video is just gonna be a get ready with me 90s style edition because I'm going to my cousin's graduation party and it's 90s inspired, so you know, here's a little sneak peek of the fit. But without further ado, let's get into the video. You guys, I know that I look very crazy right now, whatever. We still gotta do makeup, get dressed, do my hair. But of course, outfit first. So like I said, I am going to a 90s graduation party or whatever. So I was thinking of something chill. I'm going for like the poetic justice type vibe. I've actually posted this outfit on my last videos. I don't know, check out the video that's like the summer collective haul. I put this outfit together and I feel like it gives 90s. So we have this little crop top from Forever 21 along with these like baggy joggers, so tight shirt, loose bottoms, and then to give like the poetic justice type feel, I have this scarf that I'm just gonna wrap around my head with a high ponytail. I haven't decided on the bag yet. It's either gonna be clear or white, and to like tie off the whole like 90s look, you gotta have the like the bamboo earrings, like the big huge earrings. I never wear earrings like this, so this is gonna be a little different. If it doesn't look right, I won't put them on, but we gonna see. We gonna see. I was thinking about these shoes, like just these white little platform slides, but they may or may not go, and then I'm just gonna have to find whatever shoes to wear because I don't feel like wearing Air Forces. I don't feel like wearing sneakers at all. Alright, my makeup is finished. It's a little more exaggerated than usual because it's 90s and, you know, over lip liner, darker brows, whatever. Actually, I don't know if they had darker brows in the 90s. They had thin eyebrows. We're not doing that here. We're gonna do my hair and I'll do like poetic justice. We're gonna try to do that. So first things first, I'm taking this broken headband or whatever and about to put my hair in a ponytail.
I got a crush on you, and that's true. And I'm digging you. Make me believe that your love is
I think I'm okay with this placement. Yeah. These braids is old, y'all. Now I'm taking this head wrap that I got from the resupply store. It's white. Hopefully I don't have any more makeup on my hands. Make sure it's even. Y'all see the vision? Okay. And I'm gonna twirl. Oh my gosh, my makeup. Twirl these around the pony part and tuck it under. And then take this one. Okay, this is a little less poetic justice than I plan to do, but it's just gonna have to work, okay? Like the look will come together, hopefully. I don't know. What y'all think? Let's get dressed. Okay guys, so here's the outfit with the head wrap or whatever. Here's the shirt, the pants. And I will be wearing these slides because I think it goes together. And yeah, this gotta be 90s enough. Anyway, I have these earrings. Let's see if it goes or not.
Can I show my outfit?
My mom wants to show her 90s outfit. Are you gonna come in?
Don't be rude.
Go ahead, explain and everything.
So we got these beauty supply store earrings, $1. I have this necklace. I mean, it's not exactly what I wanted, but it suffices. You know, the whole layer up of chains. H&M plaid, extra large, oversized shirt. I bought maybe a couple of weeks ago on purpose, oversized. Little cheapo halter top. And some biker shorts, like the satin filled biker shorts. Pumas on the feet. Right?
You gotta
Pumas on the feet. You know, Pumas were back in the 90s, but this is just an updated version. And NYX is it next? Lipstick in the color Vancouver or something like that for the dark eyeliner. You know, thin. So anytime you can rock thin eyebrows is in the 90s because I was in then. And I didn't really have much to do to my hair, so that's my little puff.
It look cute. Okay, so this is the finished. Oh wait, thank you, Mom. This is the finished look. The earrings do go. It's definitely giving 90s. Like, could y'all imagine if I was born a few years early? I'm just saying, because I'm a 2000s baby. But come on now, I would have been rocking the 90s head to toe. Like, it's giving body. What's up on a block? So yeah, this is really cute. Let's pack the bag.
Everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style.
Guys, my mom literally went to the car and is leaving me. But this is the full look. It's so cute. Like, I have to take pictures. I don't know how my mom's gonna finesse my pictures. However, we're just gonna have to this time because, excuse me. Anyway, I'm probably gonna put some clips in from the party or whatever. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you come back for another piece of cake. Bye.